Yo YouTube, what up? This is GSNCards coming back at you once again. We got 09 Ultimate Football. Let's get a nice auto here, quad auto maybe. Dual auto would be nice. And it feels kind of thin, so probably an auto. And it will be. So good luck. Move the two back cards to the front. We have a legend for the Raiders of Bo Jackson. Bo Jackson. Then a base at a 375 of Eddie Royal for the Broncos. I'm going to put that to the back. And a base at a 375 for the Chiefs of Dwayne Bowe. And here's the hit. Is it upside down? I think it's good. Redskins. Boom. And it'll... Oh, sick. Oh, my God. Joe Theismann. Nasty. What does that number do? 45. Joe Theismann auto numbered at a 45 for the freaking Redskins. That's dirty. Right there. Joe Theismann for the Redskins. And the Redskins are... Trade cards now. Nasty, dude. Joe Theismann auto. Alright, I'm going to keep moving on. Some nice stuff in the breaks tonight. And actually both breaks. We're good. Final box, 08 Premier. Let's see if there's a base on the front. A couple boxes I did. Oh, there is a base on the front. That's always a good sign. No, I do not send out the base, Josh. Unless it's numbered, of course. But here we go. I'm going to put a base to the back. We have a Brian Urlacher for the Bears at a 35. Next card. Nice. Quad patch. Wish there was more colorful, but quad patch at a 30 for the Cowboys. Felix Jones. Quad patch auto numbered at a 30. What's that numbering? 21 out of 30. Missed his jersey by 7. Despite the non-colorful patch is pretty good. Next will be the manufactured, and it will be a Dorian Bryant for the Steelers, numbered 15 out of 15. Little ding on the bottom, actually. On the corner, there's a little bit of chipping, but eBay 1 of 1, nonetheless. Oh, this is the name I saw, guys. I don't know if you can see that, but it does say Brett Favre. I'll do a slide on blog. Brett Favre. Let's see some patches. I did pull a helmet of him. And boom. Patch jersey, numbered 9 out of 25. Sick. It is... the top patch might be a helmet, but it's most likely part of the sleeves. And I'll show it on YouTube. Brett Favre patch. There's the 2-color patch, 2-color, and a 1-color jersey for the Packers. Next card for the Bengals, we have a Keith Rivers auto at a 199. Yeah, I pulled that same card last year, I think. And next will be a redemption. Who do we got? Premier penmanship number to 40. Nice. Fran Tarkenton. Nice box. Really nice box. Fran Tarkenton auto, numbered at a 40. So there you go, Lon. Nice card for your Vikings. And we got one more card left in this box, and it will be the 49ers. And it is a patch. We got a jersey patch for the 49ers of, nonetheless, Steve Young at a 65. Sick box. And that Steve Young is 3-color with 1, 2, 3, 4 breaks. It's a jersey patch, number 26 out of 65. So really nice boxes. Premier and Ultimate. Steve Young patch. We got a Fran Tarkenton auto at a 40. Really nice Brett Favre at a 25. Dorian Bryant. We hit one of the case hits. Felix Jones quad patch auto. And we hit a Joe Theismann auto. Really nice football break. GSN Cards is out.